Wanna master your Google Messages? Simply follow this easy steps. So first of all, make sure that you have them installed. Let's open up our Play Store. Usually it's pre-installed on all of the modern phones. However, on some older Samsung models, for example, or I guess Xiaomi's, they don't have them. So let's search for Google Message. I'm gonna have them, of course, because they were pre-installed. And now let's simply press open. There we are. So first of all, let's tap on our account icon in the top right corner. So here we have our Google account, which we can switch. We can add another account if we want to, or we can use without an account, only with our phone number, right? We have our profile, archive chats. Here are gonna be all the archive chats, which you can hide temporarily if you don't want to delete them. Spam and blocked. Quite obvious. Then we have mark as read, where you can add up chats which want to be marked as read. And of course, device pairing. So if you have the same account which you are using on your phone and on your computer, you can launch them. Simply tap here and follow this little link and launch and pair it. It's quite easy and useful if you're using it on computer. To get the full personalization and to get the whole experience of the Google Chats, I really recommend you to turn on the RCS chats. So let's tap on our account icon. Let's press Messages Settings. Here we have a lot of different settings. First of all, let's tap RCS. So as you see, they're enabled. Usually they're enabled by the default once again. And there are many options such as backups, auto download files, bubbles, notifications. Here I'll go in and incoming messages sound. You can choose a system like color light, dark, or system default. I'm leaving it on system default. So what does RCS? RCS chats, if you're gonna activate it, of course, it gives you almost like a functionality of an iMessage just on your Android phone. So it's GIFs, it's games, it's live translation, and so on and so forth. So to start a chat, let's tap on our chat icon and let's search for some kind of chat. So it can be either a phone number, or if you have this phone number added to your contacts, simply go with the name. So tap here. If you are both using Google Messages, most likely the RCS would be added so you can see how you're chatting through RCS messages, or if you're gonna see another user, we can chat with them through SMS and MMS, like a classic ones. So with the RCS, we can do many things. We can send GIFs, stickers, files, go to gallery. RCS uses your Wi-Fi messaging, right? So you are not actually using your mobile data when you're using RCS chats, right? So location, schedule, selfies, vocal messages, as you see, content, photos, videos. And what I find one of the coolest features around here is live translation. So you can tap on those 4 dots in your chat. Then if you don't see, oh, all right, I already have it added. Let's tap on it, press continue. So choose the language. For example, we can, let's leave it in auto dictate and let it be translated to Arabic. And let's write, how are you? There we are, press translate and press send. So to me, it's impressive. It works great, and basically that's what we need from our chat. You can send any type of media, you have live translations, you can even call through your messages, which is cool. And basically